Okay, so we will see some numericals based on DIT and DIF algorithms, and we will try to solve it with the method that we have studied in the previous class. Okay, so here an example is there, like x of n is given, and you need to find x of k, that will be the DFT of this x of n, and that DFT we need to calculate by using DIF FFT algorithms. Okay, so DIF FFT algorithm, based on that we need to find out DFT. So first of all we will see how many steps are there, how many sequences are there here. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 samples, so this 8 samples will be n is equals to 8. So if n is equals to 8, then we need to find out n point DFT. Okay, so here n point DFT we need to find out. Then we will go for n is equals to 8 point n is equals to 8 point flow graph uh, flow graph of DIF FFT algo. Okay, so in the previous class we have seen what is a flow graph, how the flow graph of n is equals to 8 can be represented in case of even DIF, and even in case of DIT also we have seen. So by using n is equals to 8 point flow graph for DIF FFT algorithm, we will be calculating the DFT of x of n. Okay, where n is equals to capital N is equals to 8. Okay, so it means x of n is a given input where 8 samples are there, and we need to find out its DFT. So first of all, before going for calculation of the values based on the flow graph, we will be finding the value of Wn to the power k. Okay, so for different k values up to 0 to 7, we need to find out. So in that we will be requiring the maximum. This is the flow graph. Okay, so in that flow graph, the maximum value that we require is W80, W81, W82, and W83. These three values are required. So we will be finding W80, that will be equals to 1. Then W81 will be equals to 0.707 minus J 0.707. Similarly, W82 will be equals to minus J, and W83 will be equals to minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So these four values will be required in case of DIF, FFT, and also in case of DIT. Okay, so these values we should be knowing the exact value, what is this represent. Even you can find out by calculating W8 by using this formula W80 1 2 3 4, or by uh, if you are doing numericals most frequently, then these values will be remembered to you. So there is no need to calculate if you know the exact value what these values are. So now we will be using the flow graph. Okay, so what is the flow graph? We will be drawing this flow graph. So this flow graph is given by this. So this is the flow graph of 8 point. This is the flow graph of 8-point DFT using DIF FFT algorithm. Okay. So we need to see like how it is drawn. First of all, 8 lines will be there, the horizontal lines. Okay. So we will see that how it is drawn. Okay. So for that, what we need to do is just let me check. So to draw the flow graph, so we will be taking 8 horizontal lines. So at this point, the inputs will be there. So it is DIF FFT. So in this DIF FFT algorithm, in this DIF FFT algorithms, the inputs will be the normal inputs. That bit reversal will not be taking place. So X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, and X7. So this will be the representation. So after the first stage, some outputs will be there. Suppose at this point, the outputs are there. So these outputs will be G of 0, G of 1, G of 2, G of 3, then H of 0, H of 1, H of 2, H of 3. Okay. So how these values will be calculated, we will see that. Okay. So the first value will be G of 0 will be combination of X of 0 and X of 4. So this is the X of 4 value. So it will be going to the X of 4. Okay. So this will be the first value, this will be the second value, and these two will be added to get G of 0. Similarly, to get g of 1, the x of 1 will be added with the x of 5. So x of 4 will be okay. And then x of 5 will be added with the this x of 1 will be added with the x of 5. Similarly, x of 2 will be added to x of 6. And x of 3 will be added to x of 7 to get okay. So this g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, g of 3, these values will be find out by direct adding the x of 0 and x of 4, then 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7. Similarly, the h of 0 will be calculated by adding the x of 0 with x of 4 with negative sign. So it will be added, but by multiplying it by 1 minus 1, these two will be added. So these two will be added to get h of 0. Okay. Similarly, the next value will be find out by adding these two. So x of 5 and x of 1 will be added with x of 5 multiplied by 1. So that means x of 1 will be subtracted from x of 5, will be getting h of 1. Similarly, we can calculate the next value, that is h of 2, and then it will be again multiplied by minus 1, and then next value will be find it out by multiplying it by minus 1. So to find out h of 0, 1, 2 and 3, we need to multiply this x of 4, 5, 6 and 7 with minus 1 and will be added to these four values. So in simplified way, we can say this g of 0, 1, 2, 3 will be calculated by adding the samples at the input x of 0 and x of 4. But in case of h of 0, it will be subtracted. Okay, both the values will be subtracted. So at the next stage, suppose some value will be there here. So here this will be the same, this will be the same, this will be the same. But in case of h of 0 value, so this h of 0 value will be multiplied uh, by their respective values, that will be W80, W81, W82, W83. So these values will be multiplied and to be used for the next stage calculations. Okay, so for the next stage calculations, we will be taking these values. So this is 2 and this is 4. So whatever value will be there at this position, that will be considered for getting the value of the second stage. So to get the second stage values, two values will be considered. So this is second stage. Okay, so this stage will be A0, A1, B0. Sorry, by mistake it was deleted. So I did the option to get the last view. Okay, so whatever we have drawn just that got erased accidentally. Okay, so we will just see in this slide the same is drawn already. Okay, so once we have calculated the first stage, so this is the first stage, and this one the second stage, and this is the third stage. So in the second stage, two combinations will be taken. So these two combinations, this value will be A0 and this is A1. Here it is, sorry, B0 and B1. So to find out A0 and A1, we will be adding this one was G0, G1, G2, G3. So these values will be considered to get A0, A1, A2, A0, A1, B0 and B1. Similarly, we will be getting C0, C1, D0 and D1. Once we have got these values, we will be using this further to get X0 and up to X7. So in case of DIF FFT algorithms, the bit reversal will be at the output side. So this is the output side. So at this output side, the bit reversal will be taking place. So X0, X4, X2, X6, X1, X5, and X3 values will be there. But in the input side, there will not be any uh, bit reversal. Okay, so no bit reversal will be there here. Okay, so once we have got these values A0, A1, these values will be further used to find out the X0, X1, X2, and X4. So we will see just by using with the help of this uh, flow graph. Once we have drawn the flow graph, we can find out the different values. So we will be finding out G0, G1, G2, G3, H0, H1. So we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is your x of n is given. So g of 0 is equals to x of 0 plus x of 4. This is coming from this flow graph. So x of 0 plus x of 4 will be equals to g of 0. So it will be x of 0 is this one, 1 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be 4. It will be 5. Then x of 1 plus x of 5 will be your g of 1. It will be 2 plus again this will be 3 is equals to 5. X of 2 plus x of 6 will be equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, and x of 3 plus x of 7 will be equals to 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Similarly, we can find out h of 0, so it will be x of 0 minus x of 4. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 4 will be minus 3. X of 1 minus x of 5 is equals to 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. X of 2 minus x of 6 will be equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. X of 3 minus x of 7 will be equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So these are the values at the first stage. After first stage, it is the value. The next value will be, we need to find out a of 0, a of 1, b of 0, b of 1, c of 0, c of 1, d of 1, sorry, 0, and d of 1. So by using the values of z of 0, 1, 2, 3 and h0, h1, h2, h3, by using this flow graph, we can find out like a of 0 will be equals to this a of 0 value will be equals to g of 0 plus this g of 2. So g of 0 and g of 2 will be equals to a of 0, and these both are 5 and 5, so overall it will be 10. Similarly, we can find out all other values. Okay, so suppose a of 1, so this a of 1 will be equals to g of 1 plus g of 3. So this is g of 1 plus g of 3 is equals to again 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. The b of 0 will be equals to this g of 0 minus this one. Okay, so it will be g of 0 minus g of 2 is equals to 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Then b of 1 is equals to g of 1 and minus of g of 3 is equals to again 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. So the next we need to find out is c of 0. So c of 0 will be multiplication of h of 0 with W80, that is again 1 will be there, so whatever value will be there, that is minus 3 will remain minus 3. So this h of 0 by multiplying this value will be added with h of 2 multiplied by W8 2. Okay, so this will be h of 0 that will be multiplied by W80 and added with W sorry h2 multiplied by W82. Okay, so h of 0 is equals to h equals to minus 3, h of 2 is equals to 1. So this is minus 3 multiplied by h of 8, sorry, W80 is equals to 1 plus h of 2 is equals to 1, that will be multiplied by W82. So W82 is equals to minus of j, so it will be minus 3 minus j. So this will be the value. Similarly, we can find out all other values. So based on all other values of a1 a1 and a0, b0 and b1, c0 and c1, d0 and d1, we can find out the value of final stage, that is the third stage values. This is third stage values. So x of 0 will be equals to a0, this a0 plus a1. So this will be a0 plus a1. Similarly, the x of 1 will be equals to, well, x of 4 will be because the bit reversal is there. So x of 4 will be equals to a0 multiplied by a1. Okay, so a1 will be multiplied, so a0 plus a1 multiplied by -1. Okay. After getting this, we will be again multiplying with it with w8 0. So w8 0 is equals to 1, so all the values will be same. So it will be a0 minus a1. Okay, so this is x of 4. So next value will be x of 2. So x of 2 will be whatever b0 value is there, that will be multiplied by w80 is equals to 1. This will be added with b1 multiplied by w82. Okay, so x of 2 will be v0 multiplied by w80 plus b1 multiplied by w82. After this multiplication, whatever value will be there, that will be your x of 2. So similarly, we can find out up to x of capital X of 7. So all the DFT values we can get from here. So finally, we can get the value of x of k, that will be having 8 number of samples, and is equals to 8 will be there here also. That will be your DFT of x of n. जो भी एक्स एफ एन है उसका हमारे डीएफटी जो है बाय यूजिंग डीआईएफ एफएफटी एल्गोरिथम के थ्रू मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. We will see one more example, that is in case of, suppose we are taking the analysis of your DIT algorithms. Suppose a simple example we will be taking. So this FFT algorithms can be used either to n is equals to 8 or n equals to 4 or n equals to 2 also. Okay, so based on our simplicity we can use. So suppose we are taking some example that is having a sample of x of n, and that is equals to 1 2 3 4. So here we need to find out by using DIT FFT. Okay, we need to find out DFT. We need to find out DFT by using this method. So here n is equals to, that capital N is equals to 4 is there. Okay, so if capital N is equals to 4 is there, we need to draw the flow diagram of uh, 4-point DIT FFT algorithms. So for 4-point DIT FFT algorithms, we can draw it. So in that 4, in this n is equals to 4 is there, so number of stages we calculate is equals to ln, or you will write it like log, so number of stages will be log to the base 2 of n. So it will be log to the base 2 of 4, that will be equals to 2. So if n is equals to 4 is there, then at that case the number of stages will be requiring is only 2. So for n is equals to 4, the flow diagram that we will be drawing will be having only the 2 number of stages. So this is 1. In that 4 stages, only 4 horizontal lines will be there, because at the input x0 to x3 will be the number of steps in this input signal. But at the DIT FFT algorithm, the bit reversal will be at the input, so it could not be written like x0, x1, x2, x3. It should be having a bit reversal. So x0 will be x0 after bit reversal also, but x1 will be bit reversed. So this is after bit reversal, this x1 will be given like, it will be x of 2, because it is 0 1 will it is a 2 bit for representation. So once it will be bit reverse, it will be 1 0. So this 1 0 will be equals to 2. Okay, so x2 will be there. Then again we will be writing 1 2 3. So this sorry 2 will be there. So after x0, x1 and x2. So x2 is this one. If its bit reversal will be there, its bit reversal will be 0 1. So here x1 will be there, and again here x3 will be there. So bit reversal will be there at the input side in case of DIT of the algorithms. So this is the first stage output. So in this case, this will be showing you the first stage 1, that is A0. Okay, and then this value will be there. Okay. This is A0, this is B0. Okay, similarly in case of this, minus negative sign is there. So this will be the first value, and this will be added to it directly, and this will be giving you C0, and after negative multiplication, that will be given by your D0. So by using sorry, it is actually in case of A0, this will be A1, B0 and B1. So because we are only considering the first 4 points, so it will be only the upper one. So A0, A1, B0, B1 will be there. So once we have find out A0, A1, B0, B1, we will be using that to find out the next stage. This is first stage. So this is the second stage. So at the second stage, the output values will be directly given by here at the next stage. The next values will be calculated by taking 2 points together. Okay. And the negative sign will be there at the bottom 2 lines. Okay, so this will be your x of 0, this will be final x of 1, this will be x of 2, and this will be x of 3. So whatever values we are having, that will be multiplied by, this is W40, and this will be multiplied by W41. Okay. So this is the first stage value, whatever values will be there, this is the first stage value, and whatever value at the second stage, that will be your second stage value, and this second stage value will be your DFT of your input x of n. Whatever x of n will be given, that will be the DFT at the output of the second stage. So from there we can directly calculate the 4-point DFT of the given sequence. So this 4-point DFT calculation can also be done by using FFT algorithms. So that will be just the truncated uh, 8-point DFT, whatever program we are having. So in case of this 4-point DFT, this is 4-point DFT flow graph using DIT FFT algo. Okay, so by using this, we will be seeing like how we can calculate it. Okay, so we will see like how we can calculate A0. So A0 value will be, so this A0 value will be equals to x0 plus x2. So this is x0 plus x2. So this x0 plus x2 will be 1 plus 2 will be x2 will be 3. So this is 4. Then A1 will be equals to x0, and this will be minus x of 2. So this is 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. And then again we need to find out b0. So this b0 value will be x1 plus x3. So x1 plus x3, that will be equals to 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and b1 will be equals to x1 minus x3. That will be 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2. So once we have got the stage first stage values, so w4 to the power 0 and w4 to the power 1 we need to find out first. So w8, so w4 to the power 0 will always be a 1, and then we need to find out w4 to the power 1. So this w4 to the power 1 will be given by e to the power minus j 2 pi by n. So n is here 4, so w4 to the power 1 will be multiplied by 1. So it is e to the power minus j pi by 2. So it is your cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. So this cos pi by 2 will be 0, and then sin pi by 2, that will be minus j. So from there it will be equals to minus j. So this x0 will be calculated like a0, whatever a0 value is there, that will be added to b0 multiplied by w40. So w40 is 1, so it will be a0 plus b0. So this is a0 plus b0, sorry, b0, a0 and b0. So from the above it is 4 plus 6, that is 10. Similarly we can find out x1. So x1 will be from the program, or we can get like x1 will be a1 plus this is b1. So this a1 plus b1 multiplied by w4 to the power 1. So it will be a1 is minus 2, b1 is minus 2 again with the multiplication of minus j. So it will be equals to minus 2 minus plus. So this is minus 2 minus plus 2j. Okay. So from there we can get x of 0 will be 10, x of 1 will be minus 2 plus 2j. Similarly, we can find out the values of even x of, so all other values, that is x of 2 and x of 3 can also be found, okay, by using the flow graph. So flow graph is very important. So once we have drawn the flow graph correctly, we can just find out all the intermediate values, and finally we can get the DFT values. Okay, so we will close for today's class. Okay, if anyone is having any doubt, you can ask. किसी को कोई डाउट है इस पे जो अभी बताया? यस, किसी को कोई डाउट है? Okay, then we will close for today, and we will see the next unit in the next class. Okay, so if you are not having any doubt, we will close for the day.